Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the PC and collecting credentials. First, make sure the wireless adapter is enabled in Device Manager or via a hardware switch. This prevents wasted steps later. Once done, locate the exact SSID and password, noting capitalization and symbols so you can enter them correctly. Also, move closer to the router or access point to confirm a strong signal. Weak reception will derail authentication and increase troubleshooting time, so eliminate obvious signal obstacles before proceeding. Now connect via the operating system. You open Network and Internet settings, choose Wi-Fi, and view available networks so you can find the SSID you prepared. When you select it, pick the proper security mode. Most home networks use WPA2 or WPA3 and enter the password exactly, since one wrong character blocks access. Make sure to check Connect automatically for regular use. If something fails here, run Windows Network Troubleshooter to collect error details. It often resolves driver or DHCP issues quickly. Finish by verifying connectivity and resolving remaining faults. You test internet access by visiting a page or pinging 88888 and confirm your IP lease with ipconfig/all so you know DHCP succeeded. If you still lack connectivity, restart both PC and router and update the wireless driver from the manufacturer's site to fix compatibility bugs. If problems persist, temporarily disable firewall or antivirus to rule out blocking. This single test often reveals whether security software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.